Are you planning to start a side business? Everyone wants to do a side business along with his job. Here are 5 ideas for doing offline business. Food business. You can open any type of fast food shop. This business will earn you more than your job. 2. Open any food and beverage store that you can open after returning from the office. 2. Freelancing. Freelancing can be an excellent way to take your existing skills and channel them in a direction that can generate income. Flexible hours, ability to work from anywhere. You only need your computer and internet access. Freelancing is a dream side business. 3. Drive online taxi. Becoming an online taxi driver has quickly become a popular side business. Driver's partners are required to have a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, and at least 1 year of driving experience. 4. Academy. You can open an academy to teach children. For this you can rent 1 or 2 rooms. You can get this business back from work. This business is good and profitable. 5. Gym. You can also build a gym for people to exercise. This business is also very popular nowadays. You can come back from the office and give time to gym.